Hello, today I'm in Ford S-Max. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Go to Menu, Settings, Phone, Bluetooth devices, Add device,
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Find devices, and now on your smartphone make sure that Bluetooth settings is enabled.
Select one of the devices found by sync.
Select your smartphone, and on your smartphone confirm.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.